Unit 4, Lesson 8, Package Installation. Before introducing the commands, you should understand what packages are in Linux. A package is a collection of files that perform a task, action, or function. It maintains Linux-based machines with new software. The files within the packages control the upkeep and disposal of programs in the computer. Now, let's get into the different ways you can change packages within Linux, starting with the Apt Update Command. The Apt Update Command downloads security updates and newer packages that allow Linux to function correctly. You'll need to use the superuser or sudo command to run these commands. The syntax is sudo apt update. We're using the sudo apt update command to download new packages or updates that we haven't already. As you can see, Linux is downloading the updates. The Apt Upgrade Command. The Apt Upgrade commands upgrade all the packages already installed in your system. This allows you to work within the best version of Linux. The syntax is sudo apt upgrade. We'll execute the command sudo apt upgrade. As you can see, Linux is reading packages and looking to see if any need improvements. This example shows that there are broken packages that need to be removed or fixed. The Apt List Command. The Apt List --upgradable command lists all the packages that can be upgraded on your system. This is a great way to see what packages have a newer version ready to be downloaded. The syntax is sudo apt list --upgradable. We'll execute sudo apt list --upgradable. We now have a long list of the packages that could be upgraded within Linux. The apt list --installed command lists all the already installed packages. The syntax is sudo apt list --install. We'll execute sudo apt list --install. Now, we have a list of packages already installed inside Linux. The Apt Install Command. The Apt Install Command downloads the latest version of the application or package that you want to install. Unlike Apt Upgrade or Update, it's usually a package not already built in or installed inside Linux. The syntax is sudo apt install package name. We'll execute sudo apt install. Because we're not installing a specific package, Linux is giving us a short status report on the packages overall. The Apt Remove Command. The Apt Remove command removes installed packages. The syntax is sudo apt remove package name. We'll execute sudo apt remove. Because we're not installing a specific package, we're shown a short status report again. Notice that there are 0 packages that need to be removed. The Apt Purge Command. The Apt Purge command removes configuration files that the Remove command has left behind. If you want to delete a program and its extra unnecessary files, use it instead of the Remove command. The syntax is sudo apt purge package name. The Apt Search Command. The Apt Search command lets you search for a package in a list of the available packages. When you input your search phrase, it will try its best to find the most appropriate package that fits what you're looking for. A great command if you're looking to install a certain feature. The syntax, sudo apt search package name. The command is sudo apt search and the search phrase is going to be calling. Linux just presented a list of packages that has the phrase calling. The Apt Show Command. The Apt Show Command showcases information on a package. It showcases the package dependencies, installation size, source, and more. You should use this command before installing or removing a package so you can better decide to change it. The syntax is sudo apt show package name. We're going to execute the command sudo apt show and the package is remail. You're presented with remail's different purposes. We now know that this package is used to design stylish HTML emails.